Snoopers. Today we're going to fix the rear brake on 2017 50 SX. Okay, so here we are at the master cylinder. Suspected that the piston inside here is not working. I think the seals have gone, got no pressure on the pedal. So first things first, we're going to pull it all apart. Need some tools, 8mm socket, 2.5mm Allen key, 13mm, take the brake off. Some WD-40 brake and parts cleaner, little syringe, some brake fluid, .4, and new parts kit. All parts included. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, so here we are with the master cylinder off. It's all nice and clean in there. So we're going to take out the snap ring. Just move my little ice cream bucket. There's a little snap ring just inside there. Use your pick tool. Put your thumb over it so it doesn't fly away on you. And there we go. Snap ring comes out. Old and rusty. And there's a little washer in here that you want to pull out as well. These all come in the new kit. Now this thing here proves difficult to pull out, this little dome plunger piece. So with your pick tool in your hand, just give it a little nudge. And it should just push on out. Here it comes. And there it is. Yep. As suspected, that's cactus. So we'll put that over there. We'll get some brake and parts cleaner. Give this a little wash in our little ice cream bucket. Get any crap out of it. Dry it off with our rag. Seen better days before our master cylinder. Alright. Now, new kit from KTM. Got everything you need to rebuild the rear brake caliper, or master cylinder, sorry. Have a look at what's in here. From Formula. Comes with a new dust seal. Nice new plunger. Nice supple O-rings. New spring and top. New snap ring and a new washer. So we'll put that back together. Obviously that sits on top of that, looking at the old one. There you go. pop that back up in there. And this is obviously what makes the pressure on your pedal. Put our new washer on there. Put our new snap ring in, and just like when you're rebuilding your piston, you want to hold on to this little sucker, it'll fly across the shed. You just want to massage it in, use your nail, and snap. And there it is. Just like that. Lovely. Alright, put that back on. Two 8mm bolts. That's an 8mm as well. The banjo fitting on the brake line. I'll just nip them up. Alright, and this is where you want your syringe. Comes in handy with your brake fluid. So obviously this little master cylinder and brake line don't take much. Put that in there, we might put some more in there. So we need to fill the line. Bleed this little brake. We'll put one more squirt in, then we'll take some out later. That'll do for now. Pop that there. Okay, we'll put our brake pedal back on. Yep. Don't forget your dust seal. Nice new dust seal. Oh wow. Beautiful. Get that pedal in there. Right. At least 13mm on the back end. I'll do that on. Get out KTM spring puller and pop the spring back on there for the old pedal. Now I'm led to believe we can bleed these brakes just down here. Chuck the rag in so I don't get brake fluid on everything. And we use our 8mm. And get our little 8mm open ender. We should be getting some sort of pressure. Why am I not getting anything? Okay, so we've just got to finish the brake bleeding. I just did most of that off camera because it takes forever. And I worked out that if you just give it a little bit of a tap here and there along the brake line, it seems to free up some of the bubbles that are in the line. So we've got good pressure. Do one more little bleed. Fluid coming out of there, no more bubbles. Good solid pressure on the piston, on the master cylinder. So at the moment, that's job done. I can't get my rag out. Full brake. Lovely. Now the fella's going to be scoped. Just a bit of free pedal action. Just adjust the free play. That's about right there. Okay, so we've just got to finishing bleeding the master cylinder for the 50 SX. All's working really well. What I found is that if you use the banjo fitting for your bleed nipple, pump the brake, nice hard brake pressure. It's a bit hard to see there at the moment. Pump the brake like as if you would usually. Crack the screw, get the air out of it, keep going until you got full pressure on the brake. Happy days. Don't forget to keep your master cylinder full of brake fluid. Custom made bike stands for a 50 SX. If you're interested, hit me up. Alright, thanks guys.